Satya Nadella used one short GitHub Copilot CLI clip to make a bigger point about where coding agents are going. The story in this demo is not just that Copilot can scaffold an app. It is that the workflow can move across models based on the job. A fast model sets up the project. A stronger reasoning model slows down to ask better questions. Then GPT 5.5 takes the approved plan and pushes the implementation forward. This video keeps the official source clip intact, then expands it with GitHub's own docs, changelog, product page, and repo so we can see what the demo actually proves and what it does not. Before the source narration starts, the first 20 seconds already show a lot. The environment loads inside Visual Studio Code. The CLI says it has a hook, skills, MCP servers, plugins, and agents connected. Then the model changes to Claude Haiku 4.5. The user asks for a new next.js project in the current folder. Copilot checks the directory, notices a Git repo already exists, runs create next app with TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind, and App Router, installs the packages, and starts the dev server on port 3001. So the first proof point is speed. The lightweight model handles the setup work quickly in a real local repo with the editor already attached.
The GitHub Copilot CLI is multi-model. Access all of the state-of-the-art LLMs and easily switch between them. Simple jobs like scaffolding a new project are perfect for small, fast models. These models know all about routine developer tasks and common CLIs, so you can just get up and running fast. Larger models like Sonnet are perfect for planning. You can even adjust the thinking and reasoning level to suit. Higher thinking level means the model asks you more questions, and that helps you think through all of the critical details before you implement and realize it's too late and you didn't specify something really important. And when you're ready to turn that plan into reality, cutting-edge models like GPT-5.5 are at your fingertips. This is agentic performance at its peak, a model able to iterate over large app and feature specifications and check its own work, resolve its own errors, and ensure that when it's done, you have what you asked for, not just empty promises. That's the power of multi-model workflows in the GitHub Copilot CLI. Any model, anytime, anywhere.
The official product surfaces line up with what the clip is showing. GitHub's Copilot CLI page says you can use /model to switch models, then /fleet to execute work in parallel, and go from /plan to merged code. The same page says the CLI works directly with issues and pull requests, carries GitHub's native MCP integration, and can move from the terminal into the IDE and back again. The public repo README describes the product as terminal native, GitHub integrated, agentic, and MCP extensible. It also says Copilot can build, debug, and understand code through natural language conversations. So the clip is not a one-off mock-up. It matches the product language GitHub is shipping on its own site and in its own repo. The most interesting part of the demo is not the final dashboard. It is the planning discipline in the middle. After scaffolding the app, the workflow escalates into a stronger reasoning mode. The interface asks structured questions about the data source and the charting library before it writes the plan. Then the plan is approved, the model changes again, and GPT 5.5 runs at extra high effort for implementation. GitHub's changelog helps explain why those screens exist. In January, the CLI added Ask User for interactive clarification questions and a dedicated plan mode. In March, it added structured form input for Ask User through MCP elicitations. So the source clip is showing a real interaction pattern that GitHub later documented and hardened in the product. The deeper docs show how this scales beyond a single prompt. GitHub says autopilot mode lets Copilot work through a task without waiting for input after each step until it decides the task is complete. But it also says autopilot is best for well-defined work and that permissions still matter. If you do not grant full permissions, tool requests can be denied and the task may stall. Then there is /fleet. GitHub describes /fleet as a way to break an implementation plan into smaller, independent tasks that run in parallel through subagents. The orchestrator manages dependencies, the subagents get their own context windows, and specialized agents can take specific parts of the work. So the clip's model switching story sits inside a much larger design: planning, delegation, autonomy, and review, all inside the terminal. That is why the GPT 5.5 announcement matters here. GitHub's April 24th changelog says GPT 5.5 showed its strongest performance on complex, multi-step, agentic coding tasks, and that it solved real-world problems earlier GPT models could not. The same note says the model lands in the Copilot model picker, including Copilot CLI, with a 7.5 times premium request multiplier. So the honest takeaway is not that Copilot suddenly became magical. It is that GitHub is turning the CLI into a model router for real software work: fast setup, deliberate planning, deeper implementation, and optional subagent execution. If you want to try it, the repo README gives the install command. The docs explain /plan, /model, /fleet, and autopilot, and the original Satya clip remains the cleanest proof of how GitHub wants that workflow to feel.